Come on, get up. Let's go. I'm leaving. Better hurry up. Come on. Come on. Are you coming? Come on. Hurry up. No, I'm not picking you up. Come on. You can do this. Come on. Let's go for a ride. There you go. Come on. Good, good. Come on. Do you want to go for a ride? Come on. Why don't you try stepping up here? Come here. Come on. You're the biggest baby in the world. Come on. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Come on, hurry up. You better hurry up. Come on. Jump. Jump. Don't yell at me or you're not going at all. Come on. You're getting crap all over my seats. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Jump. Jump up higher places than that all the time. Quit being a wuss. Come on. Jump. Put some effort in it. Come on. God. Let's go. Are you coming or not? Because I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Bye. 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 Come on, hurry up. How bad do you want it? You can get in here. Come on. Right here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Right here. Come on. Okay, I have to go. If you're coming, you need to get up here. Come on. There you go. Jump. 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 Come on. Come on. You need to jump. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Hope you're not behind the truck. Big dog, he's the biggest baby. Okay, we're on a curve, it's getting taller now. Okay, well I'm gonna go. Come on, jump. Are you coming or not? Because I gotta go. Come on, hurry up. This video is at 3.5 minutes already. Okay? There was another 2 minutes before that, just trying to get your fat ass in the car. Come on. Let's go. Good job. Come on. Come on, you got this. Come on, figure it out. Come on. Come on. Here, come here. I got you. Come on. Come on. It's as far back as the seat goes, too. Come on. Jesus Christ. Come on. Come on. I'm leaving. Come on. Do you want to go for a ride? You better get in here. Come on. Why are you yelling at me? Come on. Come on. Well, I have to go. Okay, I guess I'll see you later. You gonna sit there now? There you go, come on. Come on. There you go, do what's easiest. Let's go! Come on, here. Want this? Want a quarter? Come on. Come on. Get up here. Ooh. Come on. Oh my God, look how hard that was. You had to be enticed by a frickin' bag. Okay, you ready? All right, let's do this. There we go. Doesn't work that easy when it's cold. There we go. All right, let's go. Say bye to everybody, big baby.